Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel or to my channel. Today, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be making the most delicious vegan creamy pasta I've ever tasted. So I was in the kitchen and I had a taste for, something creamy because I used to love going to the Cheesecake Factory and getting the Louisiana chicken pasta and the chipotle pasta. So I had some coconut milk and almond milk, so I decided to put those two together to make a thick cream sauce. I take some onions, some peppers, threw some spices in there, took some chipotle fillet roast sausage. If you have not tried fillet roast sausage, they have the best vegan sausages ever. They're so good. My face looks a little pink. Just got finished working out, that's why. The chipotle sausage gives it this spicy flavor that makes the pasta so good. And I'm telling you, it's like one of the best pastas ever, not even vegan, just in general. Oh, and also it's super easy to make. It takes like 30 minutes or less. It's not a very hard recipe at all, so that's another thing that I love about it. Don't need to worry about blending cashews, soaking cashews, any of that stuff. Very simple. Let's get into it. So I'm starting off by dicing up 1 yellow onion and 1 green pepper. Then I'm going to put it in a skillet with a little bit of oil, season it with sea salt, black pepper, and then once it's halfway through cooking, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic and finish cooking it until the peppers and onions have softened. Now I'm adding in a ½ cup of full-fat coconut milk that I got from a can and 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. And I'm seasoning it with some black pepper, some garlic powder, some sea salt, and 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. Now I'm adding this umami seasoning I got from Trader Joe's. If you don't have this, you can leave this part out. You can even add in some diced bella mushrooms if you want. Now I'm going to cover it and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. Now I'm going to cut up the chipotle fillet roast sausage. I added a little bit of oil to the pan and I'm just going to let it crisp up on each side. And once that was done, I boiled me some whole wheat penne noodles. And now that the sauce is done simmering and it thickened a bit, I'm going to add the sausages and about 2 cups of cooked pasta. I'm garnishing it with some crushed red pepper flakes, and this also adds extra spice and some parsley flakes. I got me some. Just look at how creamy and delicious this looks. God, I wish you could smell this through the camera. This pasta is a winner. You would think that there's probably like heavy cream in this, some type of dairy, but nope. Anybody would love this. Anybody. Unless you don't like spiciness. It's not too spicy, but it's chipotle, so it has a little spice. But anybody would love this, and they would be surprised that this is vegan. They really would. So, you want to bring a dish to a potluck, a party, this will definitely impress all your non-vegan family and friends. And the fillet roast sausage I got from, I think it was Sprouts, but I know that Whole Foods sells this. And I believe I saw them at Walmart, H-E-B, if you have an H-E-B in your area. If you can't find the sausages for whatever reason, then like a can of chipotle sauce, that would work. Oh my god, so good. This is better than the Cheesecake Factory from what I remember. Okay, well, that is it for today's video. Very short, simple. I definitely recommend that you make this. And if you do, feel free to tag me at @9afterfitness on Instagram or on Twitter. And I would appreciate it if you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.